Hello students, welcome in this remedial online classes of Geography for Standard 10th. Here we are going to start our Geography syllabus. In this syllabus we are going to do the study of India and Brazil. Here question might be arised in your mind that why here Brazil only and not the other countries? Yes, there are two main reasons behind this. India and Brazil both are developing countries, and another one that India and Brazil they are having the same type of economy, that is the mixed economy, and these are the two main reasons influencing to do the comparative study of India and Brazil. So here we are going to do the comparative study of India and Brazil. So before starting this we are going to see what are the contents in this syllabus. So these are the contents. Yes, see that from lesson number 2 to lesson number 9, these all are contents. Yes, according to these contents only we have to do the comparative study of India and Brazil. So look at this: location and extent, physiography and drainage, climate, natural vegetation and wildlife, population, human settlements, economy and occupation, tourism, transport and communication. These all are the contents to do the study of comparative study of India and Brazil. So let us start with the location and extent. So in this lesson we have to do the study of India and Brazil according to location and extent. But before this, it is very important to understand that latitude and longitude. What is meant by latitude and longitude? So let us see that. You can see on the board, this is the globe. Okay. So this is the globe, and this is the north pole of the globe, and this one is the south pole of the globe. Okay. This is 90 degree north and this one is 90 degree south. Okay. You can see that there are vertical and horizontal lines on the globe. Okay. So all these lines are imaginary lines. What we can say, what are that lines are called as? These are the imaginary lines. And all these vertical and horizontal imaginary lines, they are the latitude and longitude. Okay. But which one are the latitude and which one are the longitude? So we see that here some are vertical, some are horizontal. So these horizontal lines, they are parallel to each other. Okay. So these parallel and horizontal lines, they are called as the latitudes. Yes, horizontal lines, they are called as the latitude, and the vertical lines, yes, on the globe, they are called as the longitude. Clear? Now, yes, this in the horizontal line, this line is passing from the middle of the globe. You can see that this is the darkened line. Yes, this is the latitude, and this is passing from the middle of the globe. So this line, it is called an equator. Yes, what it is called? This is the equator on the globe, and this equator is on 0 degree. Clear? Again you will see that there is the because due to this equator, that globe is divided into the two halves. Okay, so upper half of this globe, it is called as the northern hemisphere because this is north pole, and lower half of this globe, it is called as the southern hemisphere. South pole, southern hemisphere. Okay, so due to this equator, this globe, it is divided into two halves, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Again you will see that this is one of the imaginary line, yes, which is passing here in the northern hemisphere. So this line is called as the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere. And again one that line which is passing in the southern hemisphere, that is the Tropic of Capricorn. Okay. So this is the equator. In the northern hemisphere, that Tropic of Cancer is there, and in the southern hemisphere, that Tropic of Capricorn is there. Okay. So both these Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, if we observe, you will get that these two, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, both are equidistant from the equator. Yes, this is the equator, this is the Tropic of Capricorn, this is the Tropic of Cancer. So these two are equidistant from this equator. You see that in the northern hemisphere, Tropic of Cancer, it is on 23 degree 26 minute north, and in the southern hemisphere, the Tropic of Capricorn, this is 23 degree 26 minute south. Means what? Tropic of Cancer is here in the northern hemisphere, passing in the northern hemisphere, and Tropic of Capricorn, this passing to the southern hemisphere. Getting? And these both are equidistant from the equator. Now again, yes, I am doing the darken this line, this vertical line. So this is called as, you can see on this is called as the prime meridian. What is that vertical line? This line is called as the prime meridian here. Okay. So you know that north, south, west and east. So here left of this prime meridian, it is the west side, and right of this prime meridian, it is the east side. So whenever we have to show or we have to locate any place on the globe, so that time it is very necessary to consider this latitude, longitude, this equator and prime meridian. Then and then only we can locate or we can say where that particular place is located. Okay? If that place is there above the equator, then we can say that it is in the northern hemisphere, and if any place or any country is there in the lower of the equator, then we can say that that is that located in the southern hemisphere. Okay? If it is in the left half of the prime meridian, but here above the northern hemisphere, then we can say that that place is located in the northern hemisphere westward. Okay? So while showing or while locating any place on the globe, it is very necessary to understand about the latitude, longitude, and it is very necessary to consider latitude, longitude, equator, and this is prime meridian. Clear now? Yes, got this? So after this, after understanding this latitude and longitude, it will be very easy for us to understand the location and extent of India and Brazil on the globe. Clear? So in the next video, we will see where the India and Brazil they are locating on the globe in the